My name's Summer. I'm 16 years old. I go to a great arts school. I like art, dance, tap, and modern. I like going shooting with my dad, and I like riding the motorcycle. I know that the day I came home from the hospital, the next night I went back because I wasn't eating, and they did some tests, and when I was 10 days old, they found I had cystic fibrosis, and I've been taking medication and doing all my stuff since then. I have to work harder. I can't just, oh, whatever, so what? I can't be influenced by drugs or anything like that, and yeah, I just have to try harder, I guess, than the average teenager. Usually people, when I tell them, they don't even know. They're like, oh, really? You have CF? I never even knew. Wow. Sometimes they don't know what it is, so they ask me what it is, how it affects me, what I can or can't do, or just average questions like that. I say cystic fibrosis is a disease that affects the organs, lungs, stomach, pancreas, kind of depending on the person. For me, it affects my pancreas and my lungs. I get sputum and stuff in my lungs, and stuff I can or can't do. I just can't smoke. I have to make sure I do my medication, and I don't think everyone gets what it means, but I think if you explain it well and they ask questions about it, I think they'll get it. I'm asking doctors and nurses about my transition from the hospital I go to now to adult hospital for CF care, and just asking them questions about how they do things or what the age is where I have to go to the adult hospital. I'm kind of sad that I'll be leaving the doctors and nurses I have now because I'm really good friends with them. I've known them for 8, 9 years, maybe 10, and I've become really good friends with them, and I'll be going to a new hospital, new doctors. I won't really know anyone. I'm sure they'll be nice, but, it's just different and a little scary. Well, I'll probably look up colleges that I want to go to, and then look up different hospitals that take CF patients and find out if there's a college next to one, or, the same city or state, or, just look at that so that way I know which ones I have to choose from, so that way I could still take care of my medical needs. If I move out, my parents, hopefully I'll be close to them so they could give me advice on insurance or like paying bills, because I'm gonna go straight into college after high school, so that way I'll be on my dad's insurance for longer. I've brought up about the insurance several times because I'm a little worried, because if I don't have insurance, I won't be able to pay for any of my medication. They'll probably, be like, okay, well, Summer, this is a good insurance, and this one is, but this one, some of the things you don't need, or it doesn't have all the things you need, and they'll just help me with picking an insurance, or for me to actually get the insurance. And they'll probably help me fill out papers. Eventually, when I go into college and stuff, I want to do a job with animals, and I could do that with CF. It doesn't hinder me, so I can't do it. So I could do anything I want to when I grow up. Well, for a while, I was thinking about becoming a zoologist, but I'm not too sure right now, but I want to do something with science and animals, maybe like drawing animals or photographing animals on the side. I'm pretty good at art. I think my specialties are dragons, horses, dogs, birds. I'm pretty good at landscapes. I'm not good at people. Don't ask me to draw a person. I go hiking with my mom and stuff, so I want to go to like Africa or Asia or maybe Europe and see where the animals actually come from, and learn about the things they do every day, their usual things like hunting or sleeping or just their habits, and I just would love to do that. People with CF, they're living longer because they're getting better understanding it, getting different techniques and medications that could help it more. The medical advances with CF, it makes me very happy because that means I probably can get married when I get older. I could have kids. I could have a nice house with lots of trees and, have them live for a very long time, and I can enjoy that time with them.